This is the female reproductive tract of buffalo. Now if you see, these are the gonads, female gonad. This is ovary. So this is the left side ovary. You can see a well developed matured follicle, which is the oocyte is ready to ovulate. So this is the matured Graafian follicle. And another side, the ovary still contains one small follicle. It is not in matured stage, it is one small follicle. You can see the here it is the surface is very hard, or you can say liver like consistency, but here you can see one developing follicle and another small follicle in this side. You can see here another developing follicle here. Now this is the fold of peritoneum which is attaching the ovary. This is the mesovarium. In this side also you can find the mesovarium here. This one is the ovary. Now you can see the tortuous oviduct. This is the tortuous, you can see this is the tortuous oviduct. The side of the oviduct which is nearer, this one is the nearer to the ovary, so this is the infundibulum. This middle one is the ampulla, and the one which is nearer to this one, you can see it is going here. You can see the tortuous nature total. This is the uterine horn. So this one is the isthmus. So infundibulum, ampulla and isthmus. Now these two are the uterine horns. Uterus is consisting of three different parts, a pair of uterine horns. They are connected by intercornual ligament. This is the intercornual ligament, you can see this one. This one is the intercornual ligament, this one, this connection. Actually now you can see after raising, this is the intercornual ligament. Then this is the body of the uterus. Now this is the cervix. Inside is the cervix. I will cut open the cervix, then we can see the cervix. Then this is the vagina. I have to open it. This is the exterior of the vagina. Now this is the opening. You can see this is the vulval opening. This is the opening guarded by vulval lips. So I have to cut open this opening. Now you can see this is the mesometrium which is connecting to the uterus. This was the mesovarium. Now this is the mesosalpinx, the fold of peritoneum which is attaching the oviduct, that is the mesosalpinx. The reproductive tract, from this is the vulvar opening, you can see this is the vulval opening. Now I am cutting it. So these are the vulval lips with vulval opening. Now you can see the clitoris here. This is the structural homologue of penis. This is the clitoris. Now in the floor of the vagina, you can see, which is present in case of buffaloes, the blind pouch like structure. You can see here. This is the blind pouch like structure. You can see this one. This blind pouch like structure. This is called suburethral diverticulum. You can see the pouch. It is the BP blade is moving. If I am moving this, it is going inside, but it is blind. So this is the blind pouch like structure which is known as the suburethral diverticulum. Now it is the main hindrance point when AI gun is inserted during the time of artificial insemination. So this is the suburethral diverticulum. When I cut open the reproductive tract, you can see, now if I close it like this, you have seen this is the vulval opening. You can see these are the vulval lips. These are the vulval lips. You can see. Then when I open the vulval lips, I can find, you can see the clitoris. This is the clitoris. This one is the clitoris. This is the clitoris. This is the structural homologue of penis. This is the clitoris. This is the floor of the entire vagina. This is the vagina. Now we can see the external os. This is the cervix. This one is the cervix, and this is the external os. Now this is the fornix vaginae. This is the roof of the vagina. The side of the cervix. This is the invagination of the cervix into the vagina. If I open it, you can see this. This is the invagination of the neck of the uterus, which is known as cervix, into the vagina. By the side of it, the part of vagina is called roof of the vagina or fornix vaginae. This is one side of fornix vaginae. This is another side of the fornix vaginae. Now I am going to cut open the cervix through external os. You can see the external os. You see the external os. I am opening the cervix. This is another sample of more matured one. You can see the uterine horns. So the uterine horns. This is the body of the uterus, and this is the urinary bladder. You can see this one is the urinary bladder. Now coming to the external genitalia. This is the external genitalia. These are the vulval lips. This is one side, this is another side vulval lips. This is the vagina. This is the opening. This is the vulval opening. Now you can see one structure. This one. This is the female urethra. You can see. This one is the, if I will set aside this fold, this is the female urethra. Now my hand also. This one is the female urethra. So this opening is the actually the this projected part which we can see. This is the female urethra. You can see this one is the female urethra, and you can see the external urethral orifice. This is the external urethral orifice. Again I am showing you this projected part. This is the female urethra. This is the external urethral orifice. Now behind the external urethral orifice, you can see one blind pouch here. This is, I am inserting this one, this blind pouch. You can see this blind pouch. You can see this blind pouch. You can see this is causing hindrance during the time of AI gun. Now this is actually the opening, but if your gun stops here, there is difficulty in AI, so you have to lift this one and then go for AI, moving towards the cervix. You can see this is moving towards the cervix. This is the body of the uterus. This is the cervix. This is my gun actually. But this hindrance point, this blind pouch, is actually the external urethral orifice. This blind pouch. Blind pouch is actually the suburethral diverticulum. So this is suburethral diverticulum, which is present caudal to the opening, that is external. This is the external urethral orifice. This is the urethra, female urethra, external with external urethral orifice, and caudal to it you can see the diverticulum. So this is the suburethral diverticulum. I can show you this diverticulum also. This one you can see the diverticulum. This is the this one is the, you can see, if I lift the urethra, female urethra, you can see the opening passage here. So this one, you can see the passage. You can see. You can see this one. This is the suburethral diverticulum. See from the caudal aspect, you can see this is the vulval opening. If this is the AI gun, when you enter into the vulval opening, you go to the upper side and then you move. You can see it is moving towards the external os. This is the external os. But if you go downwards, you can see, if you go downwards, it is getting stuck in the suburethral diverticulum. You see this is the suburethral diverticulum. So careful. Care should be taken while doing the AI. You have to go towards the dorsal aspect and move in the forward direction.